What's going on, legends? I got 7 tips on how to make you money immediately. Now before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I greatly appreciate it. Now these tips that I got, they're not going to make you rich overnight, or they might not even make you rich at all. They're just going to help you get a little extra cash to put in your pocket to maybe go on a little small shopping spree or pay a little bill here and there. You know, I know me personally, from time to time, I might forget what bill that I done paid, and you know, time the bill may come around and I forget all about it, and I'm like, oh crap, I spent all my money. So these tips is going to help you stay on top of that. Going to get you some cash really fast, easy, so that you can keep on about your business, pay your bills, go on your little shopping sprees, have some little extra spending money. First tip out of the 7 is to sell your body. Yeah, you can sell your body legally. And I'm talking about, you know, selling your blood, not nothing crazy if that's what you was thinking. But yeah, you can go to like a CSL plasma or Car Blood Care, and you know, they pay you same day, you know, to get your plasma. It takes maybe about an hour. Easy money. You know, you may have to get stuck with a needle, but they give you some snacks. Who doesn't love free food? And they might give you a magazine, you know, while you're getting your blood drawn out, just to chill. Tip number 2, mow lawns and shovel snow in the wintertime. You can mow lawns in the summer, spring, and even the fall. And you can shovel your snow in the wintertime. This is some serious money that you can make. You get paid same day, you know, straight up cash. So, you know, you don't really have to make it a legit business and file taxes on it, because unless you're thinking about turning it into a business. But if you're thinking about turning it into a business, then that's an even bigger opportunity. But since this video is only about making some cash right now, just take your lawnmower, you know, go to your neighbors, knock on some doors and be like, hey, can I mow your lawn? I've done this a few times, and I go out there with nothing but my lawnmower, weed whacker, and blower, come back home same day, like $300, $350 in my pocket out of a day's work. Now when the winter used to hit, I used to live up in Philadelphia. Right now I'm living in Arlington, Texas, but I used to live up in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And when the winter hit, man, some days I go out there with nothing but a shovel and some rock salt. I come back home with like $700, $800 in my pocket. You know, this is some serious money that you can make in a day. And a lot of people do turn into a business because, you know, you can make some really decent cash in it. On tip number 3, do some favors. You know, you got family, you got friends, everybody knows somebody who's moving. You know, just be like, hey, I help you move for like 25 bucks, 50 bucks, I'll help you move. You know, go to somebody's house, you know, somebody who you know, ask them to mow their lawn. Tell them that you're trying to save up for something, you know. There's always something that you can do for somebody, and people are looking for help. So yeah, you can do favors. There's even an app out there, I think it's called Favor. But I think you gotta pay for it though, so I wouldn't advise that. It's much easier to just call up some people you know and be like, hey, you need some help with something? You know, I'll help you with it. Just pay me X amount of dollars. That's some quick cash right there, same day. Tip number 4, be a delivery driver. You could deliver food through apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash, both of which I tried out, and they really do pay money and you get tips off of them. The tips, yeah, you're gonna get paid the cash same day. But being paid through the actual app, it takes about a week for the process, and then you'll be paid at the end of the week. But still, it's quick, fast, easy money. Tip number 5, renting your ride. Yeah, you could rent your car. Man, this world is an environment to something really pretty awesome, man. It's like endless possibilities on ways that you can make some really quick money. So, days that you decide to just stay in the house, you know, put your car up on the internet and see how many people want to rent it from you. You know, you got people renting cars out here from other people for like $50, $100 a day, $75 a day, you know, because there's people out there that need to use vehicles, and there's people like you and me who like to, a lot of times on our days off, just sit in the house. So if you're sitting in the house, why not just make some passive money with it, you know? Let somebody use your car for like 45 or 50 bucks for that day. You know, they're gonna put the gas back in it, so you don't really have that to worry about. And these companies that they got allows you to rent your car, they insure your car, so it's a win-win situation, you know. And though tip number 1 was to sell your body, tip number 6 is to sell anything. Yeah, you can sell anything, man. Just sell your refrigerator. If you got an extra refrigerator, man, put your refrigerator up on Craigslist or Let Go or 5 Miles or any of these apps out here or websites out here that allows you to, you know, put stuff up on the website, and you know, you just sell it, making easy money. You know, you could put a lamp that you don't need no more on eBay, or some clothes that you don't wear no more, instead of, you know, taking it to the Salvation Army, you know, then waiting until the end of the year to get that tax, you know, deduction or tax return or whatever. You can just go ahead, throw it up on eBay, get some quick money. So yeah, just selling used stuff or stuff that you don't need anymore or stuff that you have too much of, that's a great way to make some really quick money, you know. My 7th tip is rideshare programs. Now you got apps out there like Uber and Lyft, and yeah, those are the only 2 that I know of, but I'm pretty sure there's more programs out there. And all you gotta do is just sign up for these programs. You know, they'll ask you detailed information about yourself, like maybe your social security number and car insurance and some photos of your car, just to know that you're a legit person, because these are legit companies. Once you sign up with these apps, you're gonna start making money immediately, because there's people out there that need to get from point A to point B, and you'll be the middleman. But you won't see the cash in your pocket immediately unless they're giving you tips, because those rideshare programs like Uber and Lyft, they pay weekly, so it'll take a couple days before you see that direct deposit hit your account. So those are my quick 7 tips on how to make money immediately. If you got any other tips, make sure y'all leave them in the comment section below, helping other people find out how to make money immediately. And always remember, folks, be legendary.